guys, welcome to SEMA 2018. Something super exciting today. I have Kurt with me. He's with GearWrench. Everybody remembers GearWrench, right? You guys were one of the first, or were the first, to come out with the ratcheting wrench.
The very first, the creator of the category.
And those very first wrenches, I still have some of your very first ones.
Yeah, amazing.
Still working, still great, good stuff. Kurt's gonna show us some cool stuff here at the SEMA booth. So what do we got?
We got a lot of great stuff today. So we have a new line of extraction sockets that not only remove damaged work pieces and fasteners from the workpiece, but also reuse the same fastener so you don't destroy it and wreck the whole piece. We've got a line of impact pinless sockets. The bolt fighter, this is amazing. So this bolt fighter is our extraction socket line, and what it does is, based on the special geometry here and the design, this piece not only will easily fit on the workpiece, unlike a lot of other extraction sockets, it will remove and it will also reattach. So no other extraction socket on the market will allow you to reattach. So let's just use, you're working on an old car with a very unique workpiece and fastener, not readily available. If you lose it or break it, you're gonna have to bring out your tap and die set, rethreads, everything.
Right.
So this is amazing. This allows people to save their workpiece.
Anytime it's rounded, rusty, corroded, or weathered, this is what you're going to do. And it's much easier. You're not having to pound it onto that socket like you used to. The socket, it just sits right onto it as you were playing with it.
What? That's
completely different than out there.
Tell them how you remove it.
Best part about removing it is pull it right off.
No sledgehammer.
No sledgehammer, no heat treat, no nothing. It just sits right on there and pulls right back off.
That's crazy. What's the warranty on something like that?
Lifetime warranty.
Lifetime warranty?
Lifetime warranty.
What?
Lifetime warranty.
That's awesome, man. Thank you.
Thanks for checking it out.
Yeah, no problem. What's next? Come on, you guys. Really exciting day here at the GearWrench booth. You guys, GearWrench is not the same as it used to be. They have tons of cool stuff.
Okay.
What do we got?
We've got pinless impact tools here, and the great thing about this is the name is pinless. So most impact sockets with a joint like this, they've got a pin in there to hold it in place. That's the weak point. And you know, impact tools are very, very strong, high torque.
Right.
You don't want to be messing around with that. What happens is the point of failure here on the pin, it'll fly out and could create a situation where there's injury. Ours have a spring, so you don't have that wear down issue. It's about 4 times the life. But more importantly, these products have amazing access. So this is the starter engine replica of the access here allows me to get in real nice.
Oh my God, it's right in the center.
I can pretty much rotate from any direction here if I'm working on a Honda.
Wow.
Or any type of car with a small engine.
And pretty much any kind of torque you're gonna put on that, it's gonna take?
It's gonna kill it, man. It's
really?
gonna be great.
And lifetime warranty?
Lifetime warranty.
Wow, that's awesome, man. And then what kind of kits do these come in? Just
I need you to tell me the configuration. They come in all kinds.
You get them individually. Price-wise, you'd have to check with wherever you're getting it from.
Retailer you're working with.
Yeah.
All right, cool. Yeah, I love this stuff, man. Because I actually just got a little swivel on it, and I'm seeing that problem. Like it's all like it's not smooth like this.
Right.
This is smooth, man.
Yeah, it's all the joint assembly, and there's a 60-degree angle, so you can get some really aggressive reach and bend and torque.
Wow, that's awesome, man. Cool. What else do we got?
We got the mobile workstation.
The mobile workstation. You guys, I actually got a mobile workstation. We're gonna have a separate video on it, but we're gonna let Kurt show it to you. It is awesome. It is just awesome. I love this thing, man.
It has a 2,000-pound capacity. You can throw all kinds of stuff in here. It's got heavy-duty casters. It's got these nice bumpers on the edge because a lot of tool carts, as they're roaming around a facility,
well, that's what I noticed
they get
because I
damaged.
have Jeeps in my garage, and I'm always rubbing up against the toolboxes, and this actually hit it, and I'm like, oh, and it was actually rubber or plastic, so it didn't do any damage to it.
Really great action on the doors, customizable compartments, so you can whatever tool situation you want to deal with, you can make here happen.
Right.
All right. Yeah, we got a lot of our new storage products here too. This is what I really like about it. There's a master key. So if I own this cart, or this is my cart, and I'm the guy who owns it, I can have these parts be open, and I've got a separate compartment here for my personal effects.
Wow.
So I can put my phone, my food, whatever.
Right, and also the charging platform.
Got a charging platform, USB. This sucker's phenomenal.
Yeah, so guys, if you have your phone and you just want to throw your phone down, boom, just have it charging while you're working on the vehicle. Obviously, this is designed for high-end shops, but also the homeowner. I'm a homeowner, right? I'm in my garage, I'm working. This is perfect for me to get around, and I love that, just being able to charge. It's really huge because a lot of times I have to go to a different area to get my batteries.
The orders on this, like, I mean, it's a very specialized piece of equipment. We're double our forecast.
That's awesome.
All right, so yeah, we're very
guys,
excited.
It's also customizable. On the side here, I'll show you. So like I can take this out if I want to and put it wherever. So on mine at the house, I'll probably do some B-roll on it, but I have my tools hanging here. It also comes with a couple extra hooks that you could throw in there so you can hang tools off that. I have spray cans down here, but even if you don't want this on here and just pegboard it off, you could go that route too. So that's what I like about it, man.
Yeah.
You know, it's a really cool toolbox.
Do you want to see the coolest torque wrench ever?
Yes. I love you guys' new color scheme. Wow. Wow.
Take it out. 3-degree swing. So this incorporates our 120 XP chassis with dual pole design. So it's incredibly strong and it has a 3-degree.
Wow.
Feel how smooth that is, right? That's like one of those things where you're like, whoa.
Yeah, Stanley, the cameraman, feel that. Spin it. Wow. So that means you're going to be able to get into just like really tight areas a little bit.
3-degree swing, baby.
Wow.
Yeah, really cool.
3-degree swing.
3-degree swing.
That is nice.
And we actually went the extra mile. We built this awesome pommel at the end there so your hand won't slip off. I wanted to make sure we put our trademarked airfoil on it.
Yeah. Well, you guys have already done stuff like that with the indexing pry bars. I have a few of those, and those things are awesome.
Yeah,
man.
yeah.
You know, those are like some of my favorite tools, you know?
Yeah, I'm amazed at how many people use them for different things.
Yeah.
So we have the regular version here, then we have an electronic version as well. But again, a lot of my friends are getting this for Christmas.
Yeah, no kidding. Lifetime warranty on
Yes,
this, right?
absolutely.
Now, call me dumb, but do these, I know that the digital ones need to be calibrated once in a while, right? Am I correct?
Yes.
These ones do not?
No.
Okay, got it.
Moving beyond the car, and we're looking at the total work
Oh,
environment.
wow.
So these, I love this radio. So we do a lot of advertising with, again, we do our Crescent brand. We do a lot of construction work and stuff. And one of the insights we discovered was when people bring a speaker to the job site, it's just a Bluetooth speaker without a radio on it. People fight over the playlist.
Right.
And then they'll use Spotify or Pandora. But the bottom line is terrestrial radio in the workshop is still very, very pervasive because it's easy because you've got different demographics all working together, different musical tastes, different age groups. Terrestrial radio, classic rock, way to go. So we added the radio feature here. It does a Bluetooth. The nice thing about this is, in addition to the being able to connect the phone to this one unit, if I were to connect my phone to this unit and buy another unit and plug it in, they would talk to each other and create a surround sound environment. Yeah.
Are you kidding?
No, I'm not kidding. So that way you
Up
can
to
have,
how many can I put together?
I think it's two.
I'm just trying to connect now, but yeah, if I link to that, it'll automatically find the next radio and link to that. And it's stereo in here, but it's also stereo when you add the other one. It creates the stereo.
So I'm gonna get stereo sound, one on each side. Whoa.
It's like a home theater, basically.
So that to me is unique in the industry. I haven't seen that before. Plus, obviously, the ruggedness of it, you know?
Still doing that clean thing.
Wow.
You know how the garage is noisy and the people, they share radios. Yeah, so this is a great thing. So we also have these LED lights, and these are special LED lights. They're called COB, circuit on board. So that's what that actually stands for, and it actually provides a much brighter illumination and much lower energy level. So you get amazing battery life. Like we call this the bat signal.
Yeah.
Like this is
Oh my God, look at those heat sinks.
Yeah.
How much lumens are 3,000
3,000 lumens, that's
Wow.
right. You can test that out if you like.
Yeah.
Check it
Yeah,
out.
go ahead, let's blind something.
Yeah. Keep away from eyes.
Wow.
You can see, it's got 5 different settings on it too, so. See there. And the cool thing about this like lens we have on it too is also it's a true color spectrum lighting. So like if you hold it up to like another like lumen, that's like basically got like greater lumen on it.
Right.
It's not a lumen race. We're trying to give you like a true color spectrum. So that's like the unique thing about these lights right here. This one and the other little brother, little Robin light next to it.
Right, well, what I like about these lights too is look how little that is, but look how bright that is. I mean, it's 150 lumen, but let's say I'm working on the Jeep and I gotta go in underneath the body somewhere where it's tight. This is gonna slide right in.
Show the magnetic base.
Magnetic.
Oh, no, wait, so I can just put it on the hood?
Check this out.
Oh, that's
Easy.
And then are these rechargeable? Or?
Yes,
Rechargeable
rechargeable.
right there on the bottom.
If you don't have a magnetic surface or a metal, you can hook.
You know what I like about it? It's just the size.
Yeah.
The compact size.
Exactly.
Yeah.
This one too.
Also hooks to the top of the
Extremely
latest
strong.
creeper.
Extremely strong.
What do you think of that,
Oh
huh?
my God, that's cool. Stand
Check this out. Look at that, huh?
That is awesome. So if I'm down underneath a rig or car,
Yeah.
oh my God. I couldn't
Isn't
use
that
this-
cool?
Yeah, because I just put an exhaust on my
Very
Jeep
practical.
and I couldn't see underneath it. Now I could be laying there with the light right by my head and it's not in my face.
I got to give a special call out. This guy was on the original team that invented the GearWrench.
What? That's awesome.
GearWrench.
I know you look familiar.
Yeah.
I saw you in my
I can't take that much credit.
Yeah, he's taking all the credit. I'm giving it to him. So when he comes up with this stuff, he's got the automotive user in line. This guy has done so much work with users. So when he came up with this system, he's thinking about how all these products are integrated into the life cycle of the job site, how people are using it. So really, just great work. Love it.
These are actually magnetic trays too, so when you're rolling around and things start juggling, parts will stay in here.
That is nice. That is huge. Especially something that I just started getting into automotive.
That's got a
and I'm
magnet on
noticing,
it.
like little pieces you lose a lot. So like little washers and stuff like that, you're gonna be able to keep on there. Wow, this is amazing, you guys. I mean, seriously, I just thought you guys were just wrenches and screwdrivers.
This is incredible, okay? So, you know, when you put your wrench racks in and you load them up with wrenches and you want them all to face you, what's the problem you have?
When you want them all to face you?
When you want them all to face you, what's the problem? You wind up with this V and this wasted amount of space in here because you got two V
true,
racks, right?
yes, yes.
You know? So why don't we just do
no
this?
way.
Have these come out, you flip this over, you stick it back in. Now I've taken away 30%, I've saved 30% space.
That's cool.
Isn't that cool?
That is very cool.
Yeah.
And that's like the next thing I want to do on my GearWrench box is actually start just lining it out and make it look nice. Because there's so much to organization that makes your job go so much better.
Organization is key. I mean, our auto users are fanatics about storage
Oh my
and
God.
organizing.
That's the key to being a good mechanic is organization. I mean, how many times, this is how I work in my garage, you know, I'll be the half-inch socket gone, you know, where the hell is it looking for? Spending 40 minutes looking for this socket when it's like, I can have it right here or it's magneted to my, you know, crawler, my creeper, so. Man, good
This
stuff.
isn't the only storage solution Paul's got. He's got a bunch of them. He's got socket rails and
They're all hanging on
tool organizers. So it's all
Yeah,
but I mean,
we did the same thing. Did the same thing with pliers, where we made it so the pliers could be adjusted too. So we're trying to get 30% more space for the guys in their boxes, which are more tools for us.
Right. And you guys, that's what's awesome about GearWrench. Like I said, like I was just telling Kurt, it's like I thought GearWrench was just the ratcheting wrenches and screwdrivers. I mean, now you guys are expanding into this whole new lineup of things, and what I like that I'm seeing is the quality.
Yeah.
Right? I'm really seeing high-end quality. You know, you're gonna see this in the guy that wants nothing but the best, he's gonna be using GearWrench. So that means I'm gonna be using GearWrench.
Yep.
No, I'm kidding. I will be using GearWrench, so it is awesome. So you guys, check it out. It's at GearWrench.com.
GearWrench.com.
GearWrench.com, you guys. This is SEMA 2018. We'd like to thank GearWrench for sponsoring this content, and also don't forget to go over to their website and check it out, and comment below and let us know, what do you guys, everybody has a GearWrench story, right? Paul invented it. You know, someone just told me a story the other day how they also had the first one ever. So good stuff, you guys. Check it out. Tools in action.
Remember, for more exciting tool action, go to toolsinaction.com.